Hi fellows, welcome back to our channel TradeMax. Today we are introducing a new session Forex Academy through our channel. We hope most of you are joining and watching our videos from quite some time. And if you think our videos are good, please share them and don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Got this website? The link to the website is given below in the description. Click the Forex Academy tab in the top menu. You can see that there are a lot of educational articles about Forex trading are available here. If you are interested to no deposit bonuses, you should read this post. Because in this post they have given must-read information on choosing the correct broker for no deposit bonuses. So I think this will help you a lot. After reading the post, go to the bottom. There you can find a lot of no deposit bonuses, so you can check on those as well. We can cover those no deposit bonuses from the future videos, but today we are concentrating on a topic that most of the trading beginners will love to hear. That is, how do I start learning Forex and what is Forex? Okay, let's begin. Forex stands for foreign exchange, FOR for foreign and EX for exchange. This refers to the buying or selling of one currency in exchange for another. It's a market where trading happens very heavily. People from all around the world are participating in trading in this market. The other thing is you don't need a big capital amount to enter into this Forex market. Hope you know that there are ways to enter this market even without paying a cent. Okay, then let's move on to see what we have here. How do I start learning Forex? Number 1. Learn about the currency pairs. There are two parts in a currency pair. As an example, you can see Euro USD. In this example, Euro is the base currency. That means the first currency type of the pair is called the base currency and the second currency type is called the core currency. We are expecting to give more knowledge in our future videos. Number 2. Learn about the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 software. As usually, we call these MT4 and MT5. These platforms have some finance analytical tools in the market. MT4 and MT5 are available with most of the Forex brokers. These platforms offer valuable tools for the beginners of trading such as demo accounts and copy trading. Out of these two software, MetaTrader 5 trading platform is being used everywhere for Forex and especially for CFDs. MT5 is more powerful than the MT4 software. Number 3. Use social media and good Forex websites to learn some Forex strategies. When we are researching on these topics, we found a great website that most of the professional traders are hanging around. To go to this website, you can use the link given below. There you can find a lot of most updated valuable information such as charts, trading ideas, technical analysis, signals, and almost everything that a trader needs. Apart from that, you can use social media such as YouTube also to learn more about Forex. Number 4. Start trading with demo accounts of several reputed Forex brokers. Most of the reputed Forex brokers are giving a demo account to their traders to test their strategies and to make the trading area a familiar one, so they can do their live trading very efficiently. Okay, let's read along. As a beginner, it is inappropriate to risk your money for trading in the first place. You need to test your strategies before you do actual trading. Whatever said and done in the theory won't happen and every time you trade. So you need to have the experience of trading. Because of that, most of the Forex brokers are giving their clients an opportunity to trade with a demo account. So you have to take that chance and take the full advantage out of it. Number 5. Try some Forex no deposit bonuses and try your strategies. This topic is very much familiar to you all as we have covered so many Forex no deposit bonuses in the recent past. So you all know what kind of an experience that trading with no deposit bonuses give. To learn more about the value of no deposit bonuses, you can come and read this post. You can find a detailed description here. Number 6. Use the signals provided by the forex brokers and professional traders to confirm your decisions in trading. As a beginner, you might be unsure of taking some trading decisions when you are in the market. So until you get confident on your tradings, you can take help from this website. And also you can visit your broker's official website and get the signals if available. Number 7. Choose the best forex broker who matches your needs. After going through all the things up to now, you will have a good idea which broker suits you the most. So now it's the time to choose the best for you by considering the services, tools, customer support, promotions, and etc. Number 8. Allocate a time to read news about the market and do some analysis. If you need to be a successful trader, it's a must that you have to pay attention about the world business news as well as the political news. You have to analyze how gold price and oil price move. There are some interlinking currency pairs and commodities. As an example, think all the other markets are stable and moving without any panics and gold price rises suddenly. So we might observe that USD CAD currency pair will have a drop of price. Likewise, there are some important analytical skills you need to master. Number 9. Always keep a track on the progress. It is really essential that you need to track your progress. You need to keep a note of each and every cent you use for trading, how much you gain profit or loss, the strategies you use to get profit, and how you can multiply the profit by changing things slightly. We think we have brought you all a video rich with knowledge and planning to bring more in near future. Thank you all for joining our Forex Academy session. So let's meet again with another video. Have a nice day.